It means that I need the first one, the first channel, and everything here and everything here. Do you get that?
Okay.
Do you get that? Is
Yes.
it clear?
Yes.
It's confusing. I know it's confusing. You have something like this. I need everything here. It means that I need
Okay.
the first channel, which is channel 0. Then I need all the inner channel, all the inner
Okay.
rows and columns. That is why I have this. If
Mm.
I need everything here, I have this. Do you get that? If I need everything here,
Okay.
then I have this. Do you get that?
But please, can you explain that? Please?
Explain what? What's that?
Can you break it down?
Okay, let me break it
I
down.
mean, the one you say, yes, if you have everything here.
Okay, let me break it down. It's just like you have, okay, let me say you have in a street, hmm? You have street 1, street 2,
Yes.
hmm?
Mm.
Street 3.
Yes.
So in this street, they have two houses, hmm? House 1,
Okay.
house 2. So in this also, we also have house 1 and house 2. In this place also, we
Okay.
also have house 1 and house 2. So in this particular house, we have 2 rooms. So room 1 and 2. Let me say R1 and R2. So this is how we should think about it. Oh. We now have R1 and R2. This is straightforward now. R1
Yes.
and R2. R1 and R2.
Also.
So we have also R1, comma R2. We have R1, comma R2. So let's look at this again. Okay, let me try to make it line by line. 1, 2, 3. So look at this. So look at these 3 streets. It means that if I need only this first street, hmm, is I will say is 0. Let's say that this one is a 3. Let's say this street house 1 and house we have 3 dimension, Abby. The first dimension is street, the second dimension is
Yeah.
house, the third dimension is room. Do you get that? It means that if I need this part,
What is the shape
once
of this? What is the shape?
the shape will be 3 comma 2 comma 2, because we have 3 streets, 2 house and 2 rooms in each of the. Do you understand that we have 3
Okay. Okay.
streets? Inside these 3 streets now, there are two
Okay.
houses in that 3 streets. Hmm?
Okay.
Inside
Yeah, I
each of the
understand.
houses
Yes.
now we have two rooms, so it is 3 comma 2 comma 2.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
I
So
understand.
that is how we have
Yes.
it here also. This is the first street, this is the second street, this is the third street. Do you understand that? Inside
Hmm.
the street now, we now have
Okay.
two houses. This is the first house, this is the second house. In this first house, we have room 1 and room 2. And in this second house, we have room 2 and room 3. Do you understand? And the same case applies to other
Yes.
streets. Is that clear? It means that if I need everything in this particular one,
Yes.
in this particular street, I have to say that I need everything in street 0 on this street. Then I need all the houses and I need everything here. Do you understand that? Do you get that? So let me split it like
We
this.
have one, two.
Let's say that 1 comma 0 comma, then 2 comma it's not displaying very well. So I can just display it in different lines to show it better.
Okay.
But still, let me try to use print. Print should let it display better. Let me say print. Let me even still with print, it's not displaying very well. So anyhow, let's just leave it like that. So I just want you to explain indexing.
Okay.
I just want to explain indexing. That is why I'm doing all this. So it's
Okay.
index from inner. Do you get that?
Yeah.
So that is just the gist about indexing. So let's say that I now need room 2 in this particular street, street 1. I need only room 2 in house 1. I need street 1, house 1, and room 2. Just that value. So I have to say that x of room 1, house 1,
Hmm.
and okay, house 1 will be 0, and room 2, 1. Do you understand that I need street 1, which is 0, room 1, which is 0, and room 2? No, it's
Hmm.
confusing me myself. I need street 1, 0, house 1, 0, and room 2, which is 1. Hmm? This is I'm going to get these
Okay.
two. These two. Do you understand that? This room street
Okay.
1, this particular role is house 1,
So
and this is
that one is street zero.
yes. I'm just
Street
saying
zero.
it's 0. So I'm just sometimes I try to uh call 0 and 1. When anytime I
Okay.
say 0, I mean the indexing. So anytime I say room 1,
Okay.
or better still, I can say that I can just try to identify the index. Like I can start from 0, like say this should be street 0, street 1, and street 2. Hmm? And this should be house 0, house 0, house 0. I think it should be better now. This should be room 0, room 1.
Yeah.
Hmm? Room 0, room 1.
Okay.
Room 0, room 1. Sometimes
Okay.
indexing might be so tricky, but trust me, once you start using Numpy every time, it will be part of you. It will be part
Okay.
of you. You don't need to cram anything at all. Hmm? Do you understand that? You don't need to.
Yes. Yes.
Do you understand that you don't need to cram anything at all? Once you start
Yes. I
using this, it
understand.
will be part of you. Hmm?
Okay. Okay.
So let's now proceed. I hope you understand indexing very well because I've took my time to explain. Ojina, you understand the indexing very well. I want you to understand it very well. Since I took my time to explain it. So let's now proceed here
Yes.
to
Yes.
creating randoms, random numbers, random. We want to create random numbers or random arrays. So I can then say that np dot array. Okay. There is this np dot random dot rand. No, what I explained to you yesterday, I
Hmm.
used np.uniform, np.normal, something like that. So under this random,
Yes.
you have
That's
np, which is numpy, dot random. Under this random, there are a lot of functions that allows us to create random numbers, like random choice, like choice. Like look at this choice now. I can create random choice. Let's say 1, comma 2, comma 3. Once I run this code, I'll keep on having random choices. You keep on giving me random number between 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Do you understand that? These are it's random number. Don't mind me that it's getting
okay.
3.
Okay.
It's random number. Let me create it
Okay.
with more items. Let me have something like this. You can use np.random choice to create random. Maybe you want to create a game that we keep on creating random. Once I keep on running this, I'll keep on having random number between this range.
Okay. It will be selected by itself.
be selecting by itself.
Okay.
You get that? So that is what this choices is doing. Under this random, there are lots of functions. The first function I'm talking about is this choice.
Okay.
np.random.choice. It allows you to select any random number between list of numbers.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Okay.
So they will now have negative numbers. np.random.vand. So this np.random.vand, it allows us to create random numbers between 0 and 1. So let me say, but we can also specify the dimension. Let me say np.rand 1 comma 2. It means that I need something like this. I need two rows and one row and two columns. Do you understand that? So, but it will be a number between 0 and 1. Let's say 5 comma 5.
Okay.
So we have, it will just be number between 0 and 1. It will create a random number between 0 and 1. Hmm?
Hmm.
Do you
Hmm.
get that? That is what np.random.rand is doing. It's going to create random number between 0 and 1. Hmm? And
Okay.
mind you, just like arrays, you can do a lot of calculation. I can multiply it by 5. I want a scale random number between 0 and, and 10. I can multiply it by 10. So to get random number between 0 and 10. Do you understand that? So then
Okay.
now I have also np dot band n rand n that allows us to create numbers, random number between -1. I think it should be -1 or -2. It should be between -2 to 1 to 1. Yes, -2 to 1, something like that. So it's negative random number.
Hmm.
Negative random number. So the last thing I'm going to talk about, because I know it's very, very late there. So let me try to round up this class. So the last thing I'm going to talk about is pseudo random number. Pseudo random number.
Hmm.
So sometimes you might need to use pseudo random number. So pseudo random number in mathematics is just a fake random number. Do you understand that? We call it a fake random number. It's a random number, but it's a random number that is known. Do you understand that?
Hmm.
A random number
Hmm.
that is known. This is what we call pseudo random number. So how do you create pseudo random number? So you use np.seed. Look at this particular example that I've said. If I've used np.random.seed, np.random.seed. So once you seed it, you can specify any number. Let me say 0. I'm going to keep on getting the same random number. Do you
Okay.
understand that? I'm going to keep on getting the same random number for this particular seed. If I see this one, despite the numbers are much, I'm going to get the same random number dot seed. It's always using, the reason why you do use np.seed is that, for example, now you are doing a particular project and you are using random
Hmm.
number. Then you want to send the project to me for me to evaluate it for you. Then you want our answers to be the same. You have to seed your random numbers. Even though you generate random number between 1 to 1 million, if you seed it, you get the same
Okay.
random number. Do you understand that?
Okay.
If I keep on running this one, I'll keep on
Okay.
having the same random number. Hmm? So if I now change the seed
Okay.
to seed 1, I'm going to get different random number, but it still be the same random number. So depending on the seed, you can create a
So,
pseudo random number, it's a false random number.
so,
So,
so sorry, the